Today we're going to talk about gardening for everyone. We're going to talk about gardening from the smallest to the tallest. Every kid loves to dig in the dirt. I know I used to love to dig in the dirt. Get your kids started when they're very young. Once you give it to them, they will never depart from it. Give them their tools. Let them have fun with tools. Let them play in the dirt, you guys. Give them a plant. And what we're going to do today is take a pepper plant and put it in the ground. Oh, look at that root bulb. And when your kid sees this, they're going to be like this, okay, I want to grow that as well. So what we've done, we've dug our hole, and we just want to place it right in the ground just like so. All you have to do is press it down just a little bit, give it a little water, and let the kids watch it grow. Give them a shovel, give them a rake. They will love it. If you don't have a raised bed like this, grow in containers. Give them something that they can make their own. Put stickers on it, put their name on it, whatever they like. Also, get you a container that's fun. Yes, you guys, these are stackables. You can stack them just like that. Kids love them. They look like Legos. Fill it with dirt, put a seed in the ground, and watch it grow. These are just some tips and fun ideas that you can do with your family and your children and have a great time in the garden. And for those of us who are not so young, we can do tabletop gardening. Do hanging baskets, you guys. Use your ledge on your porch, patio, or deck, or use your tabletop. We can't do all that bending sometimes, but what we want to do is grow our own food. Remember, gardening is for everyone, from the smallest to the tallest. Take what you have and make it work. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. Don't forget to label.